Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sebastian. I'm originally from Port Elizabeth. Moved to Cape Town 5 years ago because nothing ever happens in PE. Uh, okay. So basically, I came to Cape Town, studied engineering, and I realized when I wanted to put myself out there as a tutor, I couldn't really do that very well because there's no platform without going to an agency to put yourself out there as a tutor. So I conceptualized and I came up with the idea of starting an online tutor marketplace where tutors can put up profiles, their own profiles, and put themselves out there to their communities, people in their area, their immediate area, so people can find them easily online. Because most of us today, when you're looking for something, when you're looking for a service, you're looking for a tutor, or you're looking for any kind of product, the first place you go is Google. You go to your phone. So I had a big problem with companies who put themselves out there as agencies, and so where you have to like go through a whole process of finding a tutor, and at the end of the day, the person that comes to the door, you don't really know who they are. Whereas with an online marketplace, the person that finally comes to the door, you have a direct decision, you have a direct choice of who tutors your child and who tutors you at the end of the day. And I thought that's really powerful, and that could impact and change the market tutoring in South Africa. The model has worked overseas, and I don't see any reason why it can't work in South Africa. And it would even work better in South Africa in a way that it would increase the scope and increase the degree of access everyone has to tutors, because when I was in high school, I couldn't really afford a tutor, but someone in my area where I'm located wanted to tutor, and they wanted to tutor cheap. But because the agencies were charging high prices, they couldn't really do that. So I decided that this could level the playing field and make tutoring accessible for everyone. So yeah, that's basically what I started. And it's going well so far. It's going all right. There are a lot of hurdles because it's not easy finding funding to build such a platform because it's really expensive. Because the platform, there's a lot of integration taking place. You have to integrate payment systems and so forth, and you have to have a lot of security, and there's also the trust factor. Trust is very important. To get people's trust and to get people to buy into your product, to buy into your service, you have to sort of create that safe haven that this is safe. You're not going to take your money when you click pay or you enter your credit card details. Your money won't just disappear and go to a company that you don't know. So yeah, those are the hurdles that we're facing. Those are the challenges that we're facing, and we need about 700,000 rand to build a complete platform, but 100,000 rand would also be a right to have would also be a right to build. Thank you very much.